to Coding Academy. You're going to learn everything that you need to get started with coding. You always must be wondering what's happening under the hood of a web page. Now I'm here to clear all your doubts and help you learn everything about HTML. Here's a list of things that you will learn by the end of this video. What is HTML? You will be able to differentiate between HTML4 and HTML5. So let's get started. What does HTML stand for? It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Yeah, you heard it right. It's a markup language. It's a misconception among minority of people that thinks HTML is a programming language, but it isn't. It's a markup language, so it's used for coding. A programming language is a set of instructions used to create a program that can be executed by a computer. Although you cannot do the same with HTML, but it's still important as it is the base of any web page. Here's what was required in HTML4, and in the next section you can see what it looks like now in HTML5. As you can understand from the both codes, the second code is clean and much more simple. It is less code, and the less code you have on your web page, the faster the code will be executed. HTML5 provides consistency in malformed documents, and it has a better error handling. But on the other hand, HTML4 doesn't. New tags introduced in HTML5 like canvas, video, audio, iframe, and etc., where we did not have any of these in HTML4. Using HTML5 has become a very powerful upgrade with potential to be an even more powerful coding language in the coming years. This is why I want all of you to learn it and have a bright career in coding.